If you can't focus for more than 10 minutes, this is why. You sit down to study. You open your book. And suddenly, you check your phone. Just for a second. Then one notification turns into 10. One video turns into 5. And before you know it, an hour is gone. Sound familiar? You tell yourself, okay, now I'll focus. But then it happens again and again. And you start thinking, maybe I'm just lazy. Maybe I don't have discipline. But that's not the real problem. The truth is, your brain has been trained to be distracted. Every time you scroll, watch short videos, or check notifications, your brain gets used to something. Constant stimulation. Fast, easy, instant. Your brain starts expecting it. So when you try to study something slower, something that requires effort, it feels painful. It feels boring. And your brain rejects it. Not because you're incapable, but because it's not used to it anymore. Think about how often you switch tasks. You open an app, then another, then another. You're jumping between videos, messages, notifications every few seconds. Your attention span is being broken over and over again. And the worst part? You don't even notice it happening. This is why you sit down to focus, and your mind immediately wants to escape. But here's the good news. You can fix this, and it's actually simpler than you think. First, remove distractions. Not reduce them. Remove them. Put your phone away. Not next to you. Not face down. Away. Because even seeing your phone is enough to break your focus. Your brain is always waiting for it. Second, you need to retrain your brain. Focus is like a muscle. Right now, yours is weak. But that's okay. You don't go to the gym and lift the heaviest weight on day 1. You start small. Do the same with focus. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Just 10. Focus fully. Then take a short break. Then repeat. Over time, 10 minutes becomes 20. 20 becomes 30. And suddenly, you can focus longer than ever before. And here's the third thing that changes everything. Make it easy to start. Because the hardest part is not focusing. It's starting. If you tell yourself, I need to study for 3 hours, your brain will resist immediately. It feels too big, too overwhelming. So instead, tell yourself, I'll just do 5 minutes. That's it. No pressure. And once you start, you'll notice something. It's not as hard as you thought. Momentum builds, and you keep going. So if you feel like you can't focus, remember this. It's not because you're lazy. It's because your brain has been trained the wrong way. But you can train it back. Remove distractions. Train your focus. Start small. Do this consistently. And your focus will come back, stronger than before. Now be honest, how long can you focus without checking your phone?